Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Goats Airdrop and listing. What's the expected price and how it will impact the market? The Goats game has quickly become a sensation in the world of play-to-earn, P2E, crypto gaming. This Telegram-based game, which has captured the attention of over 20 million players, is known for its engaging gameplay and rewarding ecosystem. With its rapidly growing community and a unique blend of memecoin culture and crypto gameplay, Goats is rapidly climbing the ranks as one of the most talked about games in the P2E space. But things are about to get even more exciting. Goats is preparing for a major exchange listing and a highly anticipated airdrop, both set to happen before the end of October 2024. These two events are poised to drive massive attention and growth for the project, and the crypto community is buzzing about the impact these milestones will have on the token's price and its future. Let's break down what to expect with the Goats token listing, airdrop, and price prediction. Goats exchange listing date. One of the biggest events in the Goats project's timeline is its upcoming exchange listing. Following its listing on X Empire, which is expected to happen in October 2024, Goats will soon be available on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and others. While the exact date is yet to be confirmed, the Goats token is expected to be listed before October 31, 2024. This timeline is crucial for both early investors and fans of the game. As the game has gained significant momentum, the exchange listing marks a key milestone that will likely drive substantial trading volumes. As Goats moves from a niche Telegram-based game to a widely traded cryptocurrency, we can expect a sharp increase in market attention and demand for the token. For those wondering how this affects the market, once the listing is live, people can buy and sell Goats tokens on major platforms, increasing both liquidity and adoption. It will also give new investors the opportunity to buy in at an exciting time, with strong expectations for future price growth due to the game's expanding user base and positive market sentiment. Goats airdrop date. But that's not all. To celebrate the exchange listing and reward its dedicated player base, the Goats project is also planning a massive airdrop. The Goats Airdrop will distribute free tokens to loyal players and early adopters who have been actively participating in the game's ecosystem. The airdrop will happen before October 31, 2024, which aligns with the token's exchange listing. This double punch of an exchange listing and airdrop is expected to create even more hype around the token and generate huge demand from both existing players and new investors. The distribution will likely focus on active users who have shown commitment to the game by either holding Goats tokens, playing regularly, or participating in community events. Airdrops are an effective way to reward loyal users and incentivize further participation. As the news of the airdrop spreads across social media and crypto communities, we can expect an influx of new players looking to grab their free tokens, potentially leading to increased user engagement and community growth. In short, the Goats airdrop will not only help reward the existing community, but also encourage a fresh wave of players and investors to join the game and buy tokens on exchanges. Goats token listing price. What to expect? Now, the big question: what will the Goats token price be when it hits the exchanges? Market analysts are closely monitoring the project as it prepares for its listing, and early predictions suggest that the Goats token will debut in a price range between $0.0043 and $0.0057. This range is based on the project's growing popularity, the size of its user base, and the overall market conditions in October 2024. It's important to note that these predictions are speculative, and the token's actual price could vary depending on market sentiment, the success of the listing, and the demand created by the airdrop and community events. However, the fact that Goats is already a fan favorite with a huge following means there's a strong foundation for the token to perform well right from the start. Many experts believe that the combination of early trading volume, the airdrop, and the token's growing community could help drive the price higher in the short term. As more exchanges list the token and more players get involved in the ecosystem, the price could experience significant growth, especially if demand outpaces supply. What makes Goats special? Why the hype? If you're wondering why Goats is getting so much attention, it all comes down to a few key factors that make the game and its tokens stand out. Huge user base. With over 20 million players already on board, Goats has quickly become one of the largest P2E games in the world. This massive user base means there's already a strong demand for the token, which is likely to grow even further once it hits major exchanges. Engaging gameplay. Goats offers a unique gaming experience that blends fun mechanics with rewarding play-to-earn features. Players can earn tokens by completing challenges, competing in battles, and engaging with the game's ecosystem. The more you play, the more you can earn, and this makes it a highly attractive platform for gamers and crypto enthusiasts alike. Memecoin culture. Goats is also riding the wave of the memecoin trend, which has been incredibly popular in the crypto world. Memecoins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have gained massive followings, and Goats is tapping into this by combining the fun of memecoins with a play-to-earn model. This mix has helped the game generate tons of buzz, and the upcoming token listing could take it to the next level. Strong community engagement. The Goats team is highly active in fostering community engagement. They host regular events, provide rewards for active players, and have a strong presence on social media channels like Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. This connection with the community has made Goats a beloved project, and the upcoming listing and airdrop will only strengthen these bonds. Incentives for early investors. The airdrop is just one example of how Goats rewards its loyal community. Early investors are also set to benefit from the growth of the game and the token, making this a great opportunity for anyone looking to get in on the ground floor. What's next for Goats? Looking ahead, the listing and airdrop are just the beginning for Goats. As the project grows, we can expect even more updates, features, and community-driven events. There could be future collaborations, new game modes, and other exciting developments that keep the ecosystem fresh and engaging. As the project continues to gain traction, it's possible that Goats will expand into other areas, such as NFTs, decentralized finance, DeFi, and partnerships with other blockchain games. With a strong community, solid backing, and a commitment to growth, the future for Goats looks incredibly bright.